Hello, everybody. It's Dvestments coming to you with another short video. As always, my videos are for educational purposes only. This is not investment advice, so let's get right to it. I'm going to discuss today what I call the three-finger sandwich. Okay, we're always looking for the 20 crossing over the 200 to the upside or to the downside. And usually when it does that, it makes what we call a three-finger sandwich. Okay, so this is an example of a three-finger spread or sandwich to the upside, which would be a call. So you've got your 200 on the bottom, you've got your 20 in the middle, and you've got price on top of the 20. I just drew the lines here so it could give you a more visual picture here. So you've got your 200 on the bottom, you've got your 20 in the middle, and you've got price on top of that. Three things: price, 20, 200. So let's look and see what price did on this particular day. So you've got price trading above our 20, which is this blue line here. Our 200 is the red line. You've got price trading above. Green candles. You've got a pullback here, red candles kind of going sideways. A bounce off this 20, green candles is going up. Okay. You got red candles going sideways. You hit a high here. You got red candles here. You got green candles going back up again. It's kind of playing with this 20 around in here. And then you've got a pullback. Okay. And it was basically a pullback to the 200. This gave you a low. Now it's coming back up to meet that 200 again. And you've got another bounce going sideways. You got red candles and you got green candles coming off of that 20. Boom, goes up to 318.08. Again, you got a pullback, another bounce off this 200, which is higher, made a higher high. It's riding along this 20. You got green candles going up. You got another pullback. This time it only pulled back to the 20. And boom, went up, made another high of the day. So anytime you have the 200 on the bottom, you've got your 20 and you've got price riding this 20 or playing with this 20 here. Anytime you get a bounce off the 20 and going to the upside with green candles, you could take that bounce. Red candles, bounce off the 20, boom, made a new high. A lot of times you'll hear me say, I took the bounce off the 20. Well, when I take a bounce off the 20, I don't even think about it. I got red candles and it's sitting on the 20. The minute I get a green candle, I'm in. Let's look at a put. Let's see what a put looks like. So you've got the 200 on top, the 20 in the middle, and price on the bottom. Did the same thing here. Okay, you got the crossover, the 20 over the 200 on red candles. You had sideways, price pulled up to the 20, red candles, and down. You were coming up off the high of the day. You had red candles. Even before it even crossed over the 20, you had the pattern going on. You had the high of the day here. You got red candles coming down. It went back up tested that 20, but it didn't make a new high. Okay. It didn't make a new high. It stayed below the high of the day. Green candles on the 20. Boom, red candles down. In the meantime, it crossed that 20, crossed over the 200, came down, went sideways. You got green candles up to the 20. You got to bounce off that 20, red candles, boom, down. Perfect play. Perfect play to the downside. Perfect trade to the downside. So the 3-finger sandwich for a call, you need a 200 on the bottom, 20 in the middle, and price on top. Okay, any bounces off of the 20 going to the upside, you want to take. Put 200 on the top, 20 in the middle, price on the bottom. Any bounces off that 20 to the downside, you want to take. Dvestments makes a stock start every day. Come join Dvestments and learn how to trade options. You want to eat, sleep, and trade with Dvestments to become a stock star. Again, Stock Star apparel available online. Grab your Stock Star apparel